How to change your phone number on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen, which will open these options. Click on Settings. In Settings, click on Account, which is the first option. Then click on Change Number in here. After that, press on Next at the bottom. Then add your current phone number and new phone number. After you've added both the number, press on Next at the bottom. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, turn on Notify Contacts if you want to notify people. If not, press on Done. Then, verification code will be sent to your new phone number. Add the 6-digit code and you're good to go. This is how to change your phone number on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.